In this video, we're going to look at the net and surface area of a cube or a cuboid. Okay, so let's start by looking at the net of a cube. And if you think about unfolding what a cube would look like, it's going to be something like this. There's actually 11 different ways of arranging the net of a cube, and this is one of them. And of course, if the length of a side of the cube is x, then each one of the areas is going to be x squared of each of the sides. And if I was to add up the surface area, well, a cube has 6 different sides, so it's 6 lots of x squared. A rectangle which folds up to make a cuboid is much the same. If you consider what it would look like if it was unwrapped, you can see the picture below. This is of side length x, y, z, and you can see that obviously if you times the length by the width, you're going to have xz and xy and yz as your different possibilities for side length. And if you add them up, well, you're going to have 2 lots of xy, 2 lots of yz, and 2 lots of xz. Now that's all a bit complicated, so let's have a look at trying to draw a net of a cuboid, and afterwards we'll try and find the surface area of one as well. So let's draw this net first of all. Now excuse me for not having a ruler, I'll do the best I can with the instruments I've got. But if we start from the base, now the base is 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So if we allow one of these squares to be 1 centimeter, that is a good way of drawing that base. And from there, we know we've got rectangles coming away from that of side length 1 centimeter. So you've got, if you like, this one, which I might draw here, like this. We've got the one opposing that on the other side, which is going to be like this. We've got this one here, well, that one there could be that one, and the one opposing that on the other side, which I'm going to call that one there. Now that's all going to fold together, but it doesn't have a lid, so we need to put a lid on, and the lid can go on any of those 4 sides. So let's have it on the right hand side. That's going to be a 2 by 3 centimeter rectangle as well. So that's how we draw the net of a cuboid as in the diagram. Now if we want to work out the surface area of a cuboid, then we're going to have to do some more calculations. So let's just start by working out each one individually. Now this marked side there, that has length of 1 centimeter by 5 centimeters. So that side is going to be 5 centimeters squared in area. It also has this other side exactly the same opposing it, so we've got another 5 centimeters squared on that side. Now if we look at the base here, well, that's going to be 1 by 8, so 1 times 8 is 8 centimeters squared as well, and the top is exactly the same, so that's going to be another 8 centimeters squared. Finally, we've got the larger side, so this side here, well, that's going to be 5 by 8, so 5 times 8 is 40 centimeters squared, and this side opposing it is also going to be 40 centimeters squared as well. So those are the 6 sides of our cuboid. All we need to do now is add them up so we get the total surface area. So 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 40 plus 40. So if we work that out, well, these two are going to come to 10, these are going to come to 16, these are going to come to 80, and then if we add that up, we're going to have 106 centimeters squared. So that's how you work out the surface area of a cuboid. That's all you need to know to access the work. Good luck!